Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your rubber plant. First, let's talk about light. Rubber plants love bright, indirect light, so place yours near a window where it gets plenty of brightness without direct sun exposure. Too much direct sun can scorch their beautiful leaves. Remember to rotate your plant every few weeks to ensure all sides receive adequate light, promoting balanced and healthy growth. Next, let's discuss watering. It's crucial to water your rubber plant thoroughly when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. Always ensure the pot has good drainage to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. These plants also appreciate humidity, so consider misting the leaves occasionally or placing a pebble tray nearby to boost moisture in the air. For healthy growth, your rubber plant needs the right soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix that allows air to circulate around the roots. During the active growing seasons, typically spring and summer, feed your plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer about once a month. Remember to reduce or stop fertilizing entirely during the cooler, dormant months to avoid overfeeding. Finally, let's cover pruning and pest management. Pruning helps maintain your plant's shape and encourages it to grow bushier. Simply snip off any leggy or unwanted branches. Regularly wipe down the leaves with a damp cloth. This not only keeps them shiny, but also helps you spot any potential pests, like spider mites, early on. Address any infestations promptly to keep your plant thriving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.